Here's how to fix text message notifications not showing up on your iPhone. If you're on your iPhone and you get a text message, maybe it doesn't show the little banner at the top, maybe it doesn't ring or vibrate or anything like that. I'll show you how to get those fixed. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's first just head into your settings here, and you need to make sure of a couple different things. The first one is we will go to your notifications. So tap on notifications here, and you'll see at the very top, you want to make sure it's either on stack or list. You can choose one of those two different things. This will be in the lock screen to make sure that when you're in the lock screen, it shows that notification on your phone. Now, let's also go down and we will tap on messages. So find messages or iMessage here. And of course, at the very top, I would recommend toggling off allow notifications and toggling it back on. This just kind of resets everything. And after you have reset everything, you want to make sure everything is toggled on. So lock screen, notification center, banners, all turned on. Banner style, I would switch it to persistent instead of temporary here. And then you can see sounds. You want to make sure there is a sound associated with that specific text message. If you're getting it, you can see note is the default. And I can tap on haptics and have the typical, basically synchronized haptic that will vibrate my phone every time I get a text as well. Now, we've done those two different things. You can see on here, I have everything turned on. After I've done that, we need to check a couple other things. Let's go back and choose sounds and haptics. From here, we need to make sure silent mode is turned off. Essentially, turning this off will allow your phone, if you do get a text message, either SMS or iMessage, it will ring to your phone and it will vibrate and it'll show that notification. So make sure that's turned off, and let's go back here after we've done that and make sure a focus mode isn't turned on. So swipe down from the top right. And you can see here, I have the YouTube focus mode turned on. You might have do not disturb turned on. Basically, just turn those off to disable any kind of focus mode that will prevent those notifications from coming over to your phone. After you go through all of these steps, there are a couple other things we can do. Let's head into the settings still and tap on General and scroll to the bottom and hit Shut Down. So just turn off your phone. You'd be surprised how many times just shutting down your phone and restarting it will fix any kind of issues that you might be having with iMessage, with your text message. So again, shut it down, restart your phone. After we've done that, let's tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Reset here, and then we'll tap on Reset All Settings. So just enter in the passcode for your phone, and you're going to hit Reset All Settings. This will reset all of the settings on your iPhone back to factory default, including all of those notification settings for iMessage and SMS text messages as well. Reset all of those, and that should be good to go. The last thing that you can check, if all of those still aren't working, it could be a bug on your phone itself. So go to software update and just see if there's a software update available. If there is an update available, I would just recommend getting the latest version. I have iOS 18.2. So just upgrade, because sometimes there could be bugs or glitches in the iOS operating system, and just by updating it, you'll fix those and you'll start getting those notifications. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.